So when I got back to the UK, I sort of went on the internet and found the alislam.org website, and that was one of the most profound moments in my life, actually, because as I logged onto the website the first time, I saw the picture of Promised Messiah alayhi salam, and it had reminded me in an instant of a dream that I had many years before then, not even knowing its significance at the time, and almost having forgotten about it over the years. But that moment really the image of the Promised Messiah really reminded me of it. And it was a dream in which I was walking across some dusty landscape with a huge rock on my back, and it was Promised Messiah himself who had just stopped me by the side of the road and just lifted this heavy burden off my back. And I thought, this was, having realized, I often wondered who was this kind stranger who had relieved me from my burden, and it was only when I saw the picture of Promised Messiah alayhi salam on the Al-Islam website that I realized that was him, and I thought that was the point of no return, I think. And it's really since then that this is years ago, since then I've been studying the Ahmadi literature and the sort of philosophy of Islam, particularly the books of our Khalifas and the Promised Messiah himself. And it's quite clear to me that this is the truth. So that's